Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Hetzner Cloud server login with SSH keys. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Hetzner Cloud console. Navigate to the SSH keys section in the menu. Click on the Add SSH key button. Enter a name for your SSH key in the provided field. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command SSH keygen to generate a new SSH key pair. Press Enter to accept the default file location. Choose a passphrase for added security, or press Enter for no passphrase. Once the keys are generated, locate the public key file, typically found in the .ssh directory. Open the public key file with a text editor. Copy the entire content of the public key file. Return to the Hetzner Cloud console and paste your public key into the designated field. Click Create SSH Key to save it. Now, navigate to the Servers section and select the server you wish to connect to. Edit your server settings to associate it with the newly created SSH key. Once the server is configured, launch it or reboot it if it's already running. After the server is active, open your terminal again. Use the command SSH username at your server IP to initiate the connection. Replace username with the appropriate username and your server IP with your server's public IP address. If prompted, confirm the server fingerprint by typing yes. You should now be logged into your Hetzner Cloud server via SSH using your key. In case of any issues, double-check your public key was copied correctly. Verify that the correct SSH key is assigned to the server. Review your server's firewall settings if the connection fails. You are now ready to manage your Hetzner Cloud server securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.